70, 80, it's 90, 93, right?
10, 20, and the 3, and then 70 on the albums. 70, 80, 90. I'm fired.
Sending one in. Just FYI. You're the first one, so they're still kind of set it up and all that.
No, that's fine. I'm not too worried about that.
Another one for myself, and I bought one for mine. Old Navy. I like to be a.
Got the chairs, and that's it. That's me.
Yep, you're doing whatever.
Yeah, I matched mine. It's mine, baby. I turned mine on, baby. Oh, okay. Trailer you this, yes, but it is this. Yes, ma'am.
Do you know what they're selling the Elvis records for?
I actually don't. I'll find out for you.
Appreciate that.
Gentlemen had questions about the Elvis records. He wants to know what the price is.
Hi, sorry. I just wanted to know what you guys were having the records go for.
I think she had. Ruby, didn't we have 5 apiece on the Elvis? We had 5 apiece on the Elvis. Is that what it was? Yeah. And then there's a whole bunch more in there that's not Elvis, and I think they're like $1 a piece.
Okay.
But yeah, the Elvises are 5 apiece.
Okay.
Yeah, it was quick.
Does it go down the hallway and everywhere? Okay. Okay.
Would you like me to hold on for you?
Yeah, I was just gonna say, that's fine?
Yep.
All right, appreciate that. Thank you.
I can put them outside at the table where you check out. If you want me to.
Maybe out there got push more. I had a push more like that, I think I'd throw it in the trash can. They're like, No, that's her problem. I offered to cut it for them. I offered to cut it for them for free once. Just to try to be nice when they first moved in, and they just. Yeah. What does she need an empty purse for?
We got the rundown garage.
You know, if I gotta get shingles down the road, I gotta, stuff like that. Yeah, I mean, I was.
You don't work for nothing anymore, so.
No, I was over the class, so I can't really go back on it. I was joking, I said, I'm gonna do like that Spectrum. Yay, honey. I know, baby. It's gonna be a long day.
It's gonna be bet Dick's not going here.
I have no idea. We'll be here till they tell us to go home. That's all we can. Hmm? Well, I'm driving now. It don't matter. I see.
Throw it on the ground.
It's a nice car. I like it.
Good.
It sits really well.
I know, Mama. The mats, there was only two. There was like one small one and one medium-ish. I'm like, well, we'll just say the one for Grandpa's truck or whatever. She says she has some, and we're gonna see if it fits. The car mat.
Excuse me, I'm just gonna get back behind you here.
They have new clothes and stuff in there too.
I'm gonna get my, I got Grandpa's work boots. I put them in the bathroom in there, so I
You didn't specify it.
I know I didn't specify, you are correct. Exactly. That's what she was saying. You didn't tell us.
Wow. That makes me sad.
Made us sad too.
Oh,
No, he works with me and she went to school with me.
okay.
You ever try to take that BC? Yeah. Got one of them. It'll roll. Right across your back. That's what I do. Hi.
No.
Yeah. You get through looking at the passengers. Plain passenger caught smuggling gold nuggets in his rectum.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you don't have to write it.
Yeah, we got one coming in the side. It's okay.
Well,
Hi.
we're gonna have to start telling them to go in the front. Unless they're elderly and can't get up those steps. Here's how you do that.
Yeah, most of them are.
Tell them to go to the front door.
I'm gonna pack my sweater in the forest at the bike ride.
Buddy, I'll help you get that.
Gotta get the cords all bound around there back to each other.
Oh, excuse me.
No, you're fine.
Sorry.
Where am I at? Is this my stuff? Yeah.
Yes, this is you and this is you.
Okay.
How much are the
The
sneakers?
Universal one's in there too.
Now one of these albums didn't have anything in it.
Oh, then
Did
appreciate
anybody tell you that these were $5 a piece?
No,
they
not
said
those.
they said
Not
a dollar.
these,
They
just
said
the
a dollar.
Oh, I'm
Just the
sorry.
Elvis. These
Okay.
are $1.
Okay, you got 10 here. This one didn't have an album.
Yeah, let's just.
What
No,
are
we're.
the shoes, Terry? Sneakers.
You did it to him for helping with TV.
Okay.
Appreciate that.
All right, so you got 10 albums at $1 a piece. The sneakers are free. You had $10 shoes, $1 hat, and $2 clock. So the 3, 10, $23, please.
Oh,
That's not right. You had all them records.
Right here. $1 a piece, it's 10.
Plus all the Elvis, plus
Oh,
all
he's
that stuff
taking
over
the
there.
Elvis too. Well, you didn't tell me that.
Yeah, he's got all of it.
is there any wiggle room with?
See him look at you like, that's a good deal.
You didn't say the Elvis. You said the Elvis were 5.
Yeah,
He
all
wants to know
that
if there's
stuff.
any wiggle room on the albums.
You do 40 for those?
Talk to
No, because my sister's in it. We went through the price on it.
That's fine.
And really, we can't reduce it until after the first sale.
I hear you.
7, 8,
You're fine.
9, 10, 11, 12.
I thought you wrote all that stuff down.
14. No, this was just, I knew how much they were.
Okay.
I'm just taking an inventory of what he's got. 60, 65, 70. On top of your 23, that's 103, please.
Cool.
And shoes.
I got that.
Oh, you got,
I got that.
those shoes.
You said you were going to throw these in for helping.
Those shoes.
I have them. They're right
okay.
here.
Gotcha.
I pay attention.
I'm an aggravator.
You're just nervous.
Is it, okay, so 70, 80, it's 90, 93, right?
10, 20, and the 3, and then 70 on the albums. 70, 80, 90. I'm fired.
Just making sure.
$10 on the shoes.
I got a 93 on that paper right there.
$10 on the shoes. Why doesn't it look
40,
right?
60.
$10 on the shoes.
That's why I gave you paper.
$3, and that's, I wrote it down.
Yeah, our phone.
$10 on those shoes. $3. $10.
23.
That's 23.
And then 7.
And
Plus 70.
Shit.
To me is 93. Hopefully.
No, you're right. And I do this all day. All day.
Yeah.
Every day. I am very sorry, sir.
You're fine.
My apology.
You're fine.
What about this one? Got left out?
That one's, there's no
Oh, there ain't
album in
nothing
it.
in it?
No.
None.
Good thing to check them.
He's got 2 little extra kids songs in there. I figure we'll comp in those two.
Oh, I appreciate
They're
it.
already
I didn't
in
even.
there.
I was just grabbing
In the
them.
sleeve.
If you want to count that up, pretty sure that's.
And I know some of the Elvises has got 2 in them too, so.
2, 3. Yeah, some of them are double album
Yeah.
sets. Yeah. These are good choices. If I would have saw that Saturday Night Fever one, I definitely would have got that one. I remember that growing up. Are you old enough to even know when that movie came out?
No.
I'm showing my age.
I'm a young or early 80s baby.
Yeah, I kind of figured you wouldn't. I remember. I had a white suit like John Travolta when I was 14.
But
I did.
all right. Thank you very much.
Enjoy your day.
Appreciate it.
Sorry for
Carrying
the-
that over?
What's that?
You need some help?
Oh, I'll be all right. Yeah,
Sorry for
I
the
appreciate
bad
that.
problems.
No, you're good. You guys have a good one. Good luck with the sale. All right, that was the first sale. I went there at 6 a.m. I didn't really understand that it was an estate sale. They advertised it as a yard sale, but it was the first sale of the day. And there were so many more sales after that that I just did its own video. Yes, I paid up for those records. Yes, I learned and made a mistake. I've never come across vinyl before. It's very rare, at least for me. I didn't do my research, which I should have. I don't really have much of an excuse. I'll still make a little on that, but definitely, you know, you gotta kind of pay to learn sometimes. So we'll just roll with that. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next few videos. And happy Thanksgiving to everyone out there. Stay safe. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.